Hey y'all, Crystal Fox here. Today, got this package. And if you've seen the post, it's the Kidde 1275 sport, which is a little spoiler. So I'm gonna use my stick of RAM. A stick of RAM is my box cutter. There we go. And come on. There we go. Get the bubble wrap. Some bubble wrap. Some more. I'm not gonna pop yet. So here it is. It's the Kidde 1275 I was promising y'all. Unbox it. As you can see, it was $17.99 back when it was originally bought. There we go. There we go. Get everything out of it. Come on. There we go. Here's the manual. Please see manual. Manual calls it both a 1275H, which is the one with the hush button, and the AC2H. So I'm gonna get it out of this dust cover. Catch about this is that it has a nice thing about this is that it has a hush button. It was made in 2003, June 13. This is like the second alarm I have that was made 20 years ago. So what battery we have? Gold peak. Activate it. Let's see. It has juice. Which it does. A bit of a faster beep. It might be faster if I put a new battery in, so I'm gonna go get one right now. So, let's take the battery out. Dying sound time. No dying sound. Okay, that didn't seem to do anything, so I guess it just has that beep from the factory. So I'm going to test the hush. Seems like the hush button doesn't work when you're testing it. Oh, it just chirps, so the hush is on. Another one of these old school Kidde connector harnesses. Good thing I got this battery out because it looks like it's starting to leak a little bit. So anyways, hope you liked this short video. Goodbye.